Oscar Health is gearing up for a parabolic move, but we do need some things to go our way before we can enter into this trade. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about just what we need to go our way to enter this trade and reap the gains to the upside. So you see we have Oscar Health here on the charts. We're looking at a weekly chart as defined there. We have a falling wedge pattern with multiple touches on the tops and the bottoms, and we are coming to a head. We are coming to a point of a breakout. This name has done very, very, very well holding up in a market that is in correction territory on the SPY, the Qs, across all the markets. We are in a corrective territory, moving down 6%, 10% across the board. So this name has held up very well, which means when we get a move higher in the markets, this name should do very, very well because it's held up so well in tough times. So I'm looking to enter at 1745. I'm looking to enter 1/3 position. I'm looking to add another 1/3 position on a retest. So I want to see a breakout, and then I want to see a retest here. And then off the retest, I want to see a higher low. So I want to see a bounce and move above the previous high to enter my last 1/3 position. If I get all that, I will have a full position built out and I will ride this thing higher. I would look to take profits here at about $23.55 and then up here for the measured move at about $28, which is 60% higher. You see some things we have going our way, not just that we have a falling wedge that's almost breaking out. We also have this massive volume shelf. We have a Williams percentage range that is uptrending in this uptrending channel. And I do believe that typically, as you could see, when we get a Williams percentage range going in one direction, it goes all the way from the green barrier up to the red barrier. So just put this on here to clarify. Red barrier, that's pink. Let's do red. So typically when we get to the bottom and we peel off the bottom and start moving higher, we typically do get up to our red barrier. And it's funny, you have this massive divergence. You have the stock price moving down in this falling wedge, but the Williams percentage range is clearly moving higher, as we see here. So, oh, okay, it's going to be pink. So we clearly see that this is moving higher, and we have, our high five indicator just kind of red and slight slivers of green. We're not really getting this, bullish cross and then continuation higher. That's just because the markets are very choppy right now. And this name, like, again, is holding up very well, but it can't start its ascent higher until the markets calm down and start their own ascent higher. But again, these are the kind of companies, these are the kind of stocks you want to look for whenever we do have choppy markets or we have markets, in correction territory, and they hold up very, very well. And that's what I'm seeing here. So again, I'm looking for this confirmation of a bullish cross, flip the green on the high five indicator, break out at 1745 to make a 1/3 position, retest the falling wedge, another 1/3 position, and then our final 1/3 to complete our overall position in this trade on the bounce confirmation of the retest and move higher. So that's what I'm looking at on Oscar. I think this is a great trade setup. I would put my stop loss from this entry. Like I said, I would be buying down here as well. So our stop loss would probably be down here, below $14 per share, anywhere from like $13.60 to $13.90. I would say would be a good stop loss to say, okay, yeah, this isn't going to work out. We're actually going to be breaking down here. So a good, nice trade setup. Nothing that anybody should be taking part in yet. I'm definitely not. I'm sitting on my hands being patient with this name, as should you. So if you appreciate this video, smash the like button, subscribe, follow for more. I appreciate you all. I know it's been a rough couple weeks in the markets. It's going to be okay. Learn from these lessons. Learn lessons. That's all you can do. learn lessons from whatever you did right, whatever you did wrong. As long as you keep doing that, stay whole, stay together, and survive, you're going to become a great trader one day. Just keep that head down and keep pushing forward against that strong wind. Love you all. Hope you have a great rest of your weekend. I'll catch you in the next one.